Welcome to your new car reviews. Today we're going to try and change this. So this is broken, so it doesn't clip onto there. So what we're going to do is we're going to look at removing that. First thing you'll need is a flathead screwdriver, and the idea is underneath here, which I've already had it go, you'll see something like that. What you want to do is get the flathead underneath and slowly pry it in, and the hole should come in two pieces. And then what you'll do is just pry it slowly, and there you go, your long clip. And then you've got two pieces like that. You've got the bottom piece, and then you can just put the new piece underneath and fit it. So what I'll do is I'll fit the new one, need to find the new one, and then fit it, and then I'll show you the end result. So the first thing we're going to have to do is put the plate on underneath, and then basically clip that in place. Need to make sure we get it the right way around, so it's that way. Just going to place that here and lift the carpet slightly, and move this here. So I'm going to lift this in, so put that in place, and then the new one. So again, make sure you've got it the right way round, and it should just clip into place. Go. And then just make sure you go round each side, making sure it clips in properly underneath. There you go. Should hear clicks. Once it's in place, there you go, all done, new one installed now. Where's the old one? Yeah, you can see there it's snapped off, but new one's in place. There you go, and you can see the one from AliExpress is exactly the same as the old one. Fab, all sorted. Now I can access the spare wheel without having to hold the boot open.